My name is Prince, and today I'll be making hot Cheeto mozzarella sticks. You're gonna need hot Cheetos, mozzarella sticks, eggs, flour, and this nice little thing that crushes things up, and a bunch of other things. So first off, I'm gonna prep everything up because this is gonna take a minute. Already, I have my hot Cheeto mozzarella sticks lined up right here. Now you wanna start off with your egg wash, your flour, your Cheeto dust, crumbs, whatever you want to call it. So usually I start off with the egg wash, and you go egg wash, roll it in the flour. Don't worry about getting too much egg wash on there. You're going to give it a second coat. Okay, you're going to put it back in the flour. Halfway a little bit. I like to put it in the Cheeto dust. Guys, this is like really messy. I don't remember the last time I got my hands this dirty. Alright, got another one right there. And you just want to keep repeating the steps. You're just going to have a problem with the Cheetos dust probably sticking on. Let me know, let me know. Eaters, man, look at my fingers. Look at my fingers. The last one, oh my god. Then we're gonna put them in the freezer. And after that, we start frying. So we definitely have reached my favorite part. Cooking it. Okay, so after leaving the mozzarella sticks in the freezer for around, I want to say, I left them in there for like 3 days. Now 7 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours is not bad, but I was looking for the best results, so I left it there, you know, as long as possible. So once you get your oil preheated, you want to be careful. You want to placely jet them in there and just place them in there for about 9 minutes. If you can smell this right now, it smells so good. It smells like you're baking hot Cheetos. Different. But you definitely just want to make sure you crisp each side, make sure they come out a good even portion. You don't want to overcook one side or undercook one side. I feel like I did pretty good. Even though like just putting on the flour, the breading, the egg, everything just together was just a mess. I swear to God, like this was different. You can already see some of the breading already coming off too. The breading is already coming off. Add one more in there. And if you just move your fork around like on the mozzarella stick, like very, very lightly, you could feel the crispiness on the skin. You could tell how long you had it in there. So you just want to just lightly graze the top. Does it feel crispy? Does it feel like something you're going to take out and eat? Okay. So, our finished product, hot Cheeto mozzarella sticks. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. If you're new to my channel, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with more bangers. Let's get it!